bees and beehive. Bees are social insects. They live in a highly organized society. They live in a house called beehive. Nearly 50,000 to 80,000 bees live together in a hive. Each hive has a queen bee, drone bee and a worker bee.
Hello, I am a queen bee. I am the largest bee in the hive. My function is to lay eggs. Every day I lay eggs around 12,000. I live for 5 years.
Hello, I am a drone bee. Male bees are called drone. My function is to mate with the queen after its day die.
Hello, I am a worker bee. I collect nectar to make honey and feed young ones and repair and guard the hive.
Bees communicate through a chemical called pheromones, which is passed from one bee to another when the bees are touching each other.
Health benefits of honey. Honey is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, which has antibacterial properties. Honey contains vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B9, vitamin C and K. Honey is also a natural preservative.